Hi, I'm Chef Molly with eSource Miller, a Paradigm company. I'm here today with Tom from Edlund. What do you have to show for us today?
Well, thanks for having me in, Chef Molly.
Yeah.
Today we have our brand new Edlund VariCut. The VC500 is a 3/4 horsepower food processor. So if you're looking to dice tomatoes, grate cheese, shred lettuce, carrots, julienne carrots, dice anything you want, we have it in this machine for you. Some of the features of this, 3/4 horsepower. It's a very robust motor itself, but we actually tone it down to 300 RPMs, revolutions per minute. This way you can actually have enough power to go through like a hard product, a potato, a sweet potato, anything along that lines, but it's delicate enough that it's not going to destroy a tomato or anything of the more softer items. So, and we've had a lot of fun with it. Like I said, we'll do a pico here in a little bit, but absolutely, cilantro, tomatoes, jalapenos, onions. I've done green onions, I've done jicama, I've done a whole bunch of different produce, and whether you want it sliced or diced, anything along that lines, it's got enough power and delicacy to process out that item. So some of the features that I like about it, besides the watertight seals that are right here, we actually have 2 motor stops. We have a motor stop right here. This shuts off the blades, so as you raise the motor itself, the blades aren't running around. You can actually safely put product in there and reactivate the motor in order to start slicing, dicing, grating, or shredding. The other thing we have is a motor brake. So if you accidentally go to open the lid, it shuts off the motor. This way, it's nice and safe. You don't have to worry about cutting yourself. From a production standpoint, we actually have what we call a direct eject. The product is actually going down or through the chute, over the blade assembly, which is located right underneath here, and being ejected right into the pan. What that's doing is it's not bruising the product. A lot of our competitors, you're either putting it down in the back or in the side, and they have this large swing arm that comes around and throws it out. That actually bruises the product and doesn't make it as aesthetically pleasing as what we're producing with ours. The best feature I like is our 7-in-1 blade. This all stainless steel dishwasher safe blade actually has 7 different settings to it, okay? You can have a 1mm paper thin cut all the way up to a 7mm rustic chop.
Wow.
Yeah, so they're all labeled on the back here so you can actually see from 1mm to 7mm. And the nice thing about it too is we have a 0 feature, so the blade is actually completely recessed.
That's nice.
So when it's being cleaned either in the dish pit or in the dishwasher, you don't have to worry about cutting yourself. And it's a great way to store it as well.
That's really nice.
The blade also comes with a refurbishing program. So eventually it's going to dull down. You can actually send it back to us for a fraction of the cost of buying a new one, and we will either replace it or resharpen it. And we pay for the freight both ways. So it's a drastic savings for doing that.
That really is.
Yeah.
Wow.
So really, when you're looking to do anything from slicing, dicing, shredding, julienning, we even have our deluxe unit, which is a separate unit that can do a brunoise or micro dicing.
Oh, wow.
And you can actually do wavy cuts or waffle cuts on that one as well. Maybe we'll do another video someday on that one. Maybe. So, hey, tell you what, why don't we make a fresh pico today?
Sounds like a plan.
All right, let's get to it. First, let's slice some cilantro.
We're slicing cilantro?
Absolutely. The VariCut with the 7-in-1 blade at a 2mm setting, you can slice cilantro. You can actually slice green onions as well, either horizontally or vertically as well. But for this, let's slice some cilantro.
All right,
so
let's
first,
try it.
I'm going to set that on a 2mm setting. Open up our unit, drop our blade in there, seat it properly, close it up, and we're safe to go. Now that that was easily done, let's switch out the blade and go to our dicing grids. First, we're going to lay down our grid section, and then we're going to install the blade on top of there. Close the lid, turn the motor on, and we're ready to start dicing.
All right, now it's time for jalapenos. Now time for our onion.
What's next?
Time to mix up our pico.
Let's go.
really, really simple.
Man, that smells phenomenal. How does it taste?
I don't know, let's find
Let's
out.
try.
Do everything with my tongs in my hands, especially the Edlund ones.
Isn't that looking beautiful? That looks phenomenal, but more importantly, how does it taste?
How does it taste?
Chef first. That's amazing. That is incredible.
Very fresh.
You got to come down to Esource Miller's Culinary Center and try this out. This is amazing. Chef, thank you so much for enhancing this experience for me. Really appreciate it. Anybody wants a demo of the VariCut VC500 food processor, please contact Chef Molly at Esource Miller.
Thank you.